Alright, today in Packet Tracer I'm going to be going through looking at our full and our partial mesh topologies here. And we're going to compare the routing tables of a partial mesh topology with full mesh topology, observe the convergence of the network when an interface is shut down and brought back up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use inspect tool to examine the routing table on HQP and HQF. Here's HQP, and it's got your 3 serial interfaces and your one switch that it goes to using fast Ethernet, and it's got the 192 IP addresses. Your headquarter F has the same thing, only it has a 172 address. So it wants us to record the routes on HQP and the routes record the routes to IP 192.168.204 network on headquarter P, and the routes to 172.163 on headquarter F. So we'll go to headquarter P, go to our CLI, enable, show, show IP route. 0.204. 0.204. Okay, so it's via 192.168.0.198 and .193. So I'll go ahead and write those down on my piece of paper so I don't forget. 0.193 and 0.198. Okay, and then I'll go to my headquarter F, and I'll go to my CLI. Alright, and we'll find our 3.196. So 3.196 goes to the .3.193 and the .3.206. 193 and 220. Or 210. Okay, so now that we've figured that out, we're gonna go down and see what happens when we shut down some of these interfaces, and then see what our routes look like. So we're gonna go to our BR2P and shut down one of our interfaces. So we're gonna go to enable, conft, and then we're gonna go interface S0.0.1/1. Okay, now we're in our interface configuration, and then now what we want to do is shut it down. So we'll shut. Okay. And now we're gonna go examine the routing table again. So we're just gonna show IP route. Okay. And we're gonna look at our 204 again. Where's that? So let's look at the top one and see how it changed. I don't see the 204 on there at all. Yeah, the 204 is not even on there at all. Okay. So let's go back and open that again. no shut. Okay, and then we'll go show IP route. And it's back. So basically what that did is that that took your one route completely out of the equation. Okay, and we're going to go to BRP2, or no. We're going to go shut down the interface of the 0. We're going to go interface serial 0/0/0, and that's the one going straight from the headquarters router to BRP2. Okay, now we're in the interface mode. We're going to shut it down. Okay, and then we're going to go see what this looks like over here now. And before that was our 168.196. That was our interface. 168 or 196 is directly connected. So, okay, so or 192. Okay, it's directly connected through the serial 0/0/0. Okay, so now we're going to go show IP route. Alright. And still says it's directly connected to, that's for that, oh no, that's for that one. No, it took out, now you really got to look at these closely, the 196. So, as you can see, there's no 196 in between the 196 and the 200, so that was removed. Okay. And we're going to bring that interface back up. Oop. Shut it again. No shut. Okay, and I brought that serial interface back up. Alright. Okay. So we're going to go over here now, and we're going to go to, or no, we're going to set up an EIGRP packet. So we're going to edit filters. EIGRP. Okay, and then we're going to add our packet. Start it here and end it here. And we're going to see what it does. Hit play. auto capture. The heck? Oh, for some reason it's over on the other one. I didn't even put one over here. Alright, we're gonna stop that. Okay. And it sends it to our server. Does it send it to BRP3, 3P? Then up to BR1P. And then it goes, for some reason it's going into our other network, but I didn't, I think it's just simulating what it do on both networks. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. Okay, now I'm gonna look at our other network. I'm gonna go to BR2F over here, and I'm gonna shut down the serial 001 interface. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over my headquarters router. And check out our routes. Okay, we'll look at it how it was, then we'll look how it is now, or see what's missing. Okay, we have the 16.3.196. Okay, that's what we're going to be looking at. And there's two ways it could go. It could go 193 and the 206. And now it's saying that it's going the same way. 193 and the 206. See, this is a full mesh topography, so it's going to be different. Basically, when you shut that interface down, okay. Now we're going to bring it back up. We're going to look at our 106 route again. 196 route. Okay, it says 193.206. So because we took that interface down and we have a full mesh topology, we can go up to this router, come down, come back over. So it does taking this interface out of the equation isn't gonna ruin your chances of sending a packet or taking those routes away. Those routes will still be there. So we're gonna take down a Control Z. Okay, we're gonna bring down the 000 serial interface. So nope, one too many slashes. Okay, and then we're gonna shut that down. Okay, and then we're gonna observe our router again. And that was to look at the 128. So we're going to go up and look at how our 128 was, and then we're going to look how it is now. So 128 via 172.16.3.206. So we'll go down and see if we can even be routed there. Yep, .236. So as you can see on the other half mesh or partial mesh, it was actually taking those interfaces out, or taking those routes out, as I should say actually, and now those routes are back in. So what we'll do is we'll try another EIGRP simulation. From here to here, and then we'll forward it. Or capture, I mean. For some reason, this capture isn't working here, but I think I explained it pretty well. Anyway, I have a hard time with those, trying to get those captures to work, those packet forwards. So anyway, that's about the gist of this. So.